Hey guys, welcome! My name is Scott, this is Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing this 32-inch, oh my goodness, gaming monitor. So I'm pretty excited to get testing this out. As you guys can probably tell, I'm stuttering with my words because I love gaming monitors, I love monitors. So let's get testing it out, my friends. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we can see it comes nice and protected in foam. Oh my, look how beautiful this is. Now you guys probably can't tell from the video, but it's a curved monitor. So you can kind of get an idea from looking from the top. Wow. This is really nice, guys. Very thin edge up top here. You can see it's pretty thin. Wow. Taking a look underneath, we can see the power port, a USB port, 2 HDMI ports. We have a display port, and then we have an earphone or audio jack port. This might be the best way to show you how it's curved. You guys can see how it's curved here. And you also have your power button right here, which is really nice. All right, so for this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it down in. You can hear the clicks. And that's it. Now we go ahead and we can place this piece on. Take a look at this monitor, guys. This is massive. This is awesome. So you can definitely see here. Bracket's nice. Fits nice. Looks like there's actually some tape you guys probably want to take off here. So that's probably just to protect it during shipping. So make sure you peel off all this tape. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this monitor. I like it that I can adjust it. I like that it's curved. We can open this up and we can see the display. We can see the refresh rate to 40.30. So we just changed that. So that's what the refresh rate is now for this. We can use this for gaming and all kinds of stuff now. We have it connected to our main PC. And if we go ahead and we show you guys here. So this is our monitor. So monitor number 1, monitor number 2, monitor number 3. So we got 3 monitors because we take our job serious, what we do. We are professional. And having 3 monitors allows us to do, 3 times the different work. So overall, I'm very happy with this monitor. It's very nice.